Tuna, they're ambush predators. So they'll swim in these ditches, right, unseen. And then the bait will be above them and they'll shoot out of the ditches. They'll follow the ditch and then shoot up. So what I want to do is the tuna will be searching for their prey and see my bait, and they'll come up and go after. So I'm trying to fool them. We got something down at around 130 feet. It's a school of bait, that's for sure. What we have here is a fairly large school of tuna.
There has to be at least 50 or 60, if not more.
They're following like a school of mackerel or herring, so that's what they're feeding on right now. If you try to ride into that, the bait will disperse and so will the school. The bait has changed direction, and so they did. I've actually had them almost bouncing off my boat in a school. I can see them on both sides and not hook up. I could have touched them, reach out and touched them. Just, nope, they weren't in the mood. You know, we're gonna sit here bouncing around in the water for around 3 hours before we see anything. So for the sake of my crew, we're just gonna call it a day.
Let's go eat some tuna fish sandwiches.
I'll buy the tuna and you make the sandwiches. Mikey, you bring the cheese, we have some tuna melts.